If you're green and you hate nuclear energy, I'd like to know why. Because nuclear energy is a spectrum. The current nuclear reactors you think of, fusion reactors, which you think are a danger, is kind of an outdated thing. And the reason you think this is because in the past, there's been nuclear meltdowns in reactors, and you're scared of that repeating. And also, you're scared that if you make nuclear reactors, you're going to make weapons with it, possibly, which isn't the same thing. Nuclear power and nuclear weapons are different things, and there's different processes to do it. But out of all the nuclear energy types you can do, the current nuclear reactors are the least safe out of the spectrum. Then we have nuclear fission, which is what the sun is doing, and some countries are trying to replicate this on Earth. So they're thinking of making fission reactors on Earth to generate power, which out of all nuclear energy is kind of the most green, because you can just put hydrogen in it, or oxygen if you want. Then you have natrium, which is a sodium salt reactor that uses standard nuclear energy in current reactors, but makes it safer by using molten salt instead of water. I'm not a scientist, so I'll probably trust the scientists more than me, but the data says that if you want to transition from fossil fuels to being more green, nuclear is one of the transition periods you need. Before the Ukraine-Russia war, Germany's Green Party managed to get in the coalition government of Germany, and they shut down all the remaining nuclear reactors in Germany. And you know what happened after? They had to rely on Russian oil. And when the Russian-Ukraine war happened, the price of oil scored up. And guess what happened in Germany? The Green Party uninherently made the country rely on more evil governments. And if you don't agree with that, you're using feelings of the word nuclear rather than logic.